How are these children surviving? What about their basic and survival education? Are these children are getting enough nutrition at their growing age? Friends, for last 2 years, Aranyaj society is struggling to bring these children back in the mainstream education. We don't know the adverse effect of this digital divide. But one thing we know, that we cannot sit idle and figure out what is happening. Yes, we took initiative, and you will be happy to know that we are constructing a building to run our dream English medium school, where 5,000 underprivileged children will get modern and contemporary education as well as nutritional support at absolutely free of cost.
Come and join this dream school where the urban children will learn from rural children. It's a unique concept. There will be an exchange program through which there will be an exchange of knowledge, exchange of experience, and definitely it's a process where the education will come in an equilibrium state.
We also educate them about forest, ecology, environmental crisis, and climate science so that our pride, our World Heritage Site, the unique Delta Sundarban can restore its endangered ecosystem once again. This half-done building was handed over to us by local Panchayat authority, and we are struggling to finish the building.
One brick 9 rupees and one safety sand rupees 7.7. One pack of cement rupees 345.
We are grateful to all our philanthropists, well-wishers and donors who supported this project. But this is not enough. We need more support, more help, more connectivity and more kindness from you. So friends, come and join with us. Let us rebuild our own Sundarban. Friends, generation after generation, students will get free English and modern education from this unique school. So let us bring this ray of hope to these deprived children so that they can also flourish, they can also grow as responsible global citizens. Thank you. Stay kind, stay connected.
I request all of you, come and join this unique school. Please lend your hand to build this unique school in unique heritage site. সেই গাড়িগুলো আসছে এখন হাফ মাল দিচ্ছে গাড়িটা রয়ে যাচ্ছে হ্যাঁ রাইট রাইট আর এই যে এইখানটাই যেমন মনে হচ্ছে আগে একটা বিল্ডিং ছিল সেটাকে এক্সটেন্ড প্যাটার্নটা সেরকম তাহলে যান মমতা তাহলে তোর দায়িত্ব রইল সব সামনে দিস